Hello everyone. Today we will be changing earpad cushions for Audio-Technica ATH-M50. The ones in the video seem like they have been through absolute hell. They have become rather dense and absolutely opposite of what you would normally call cozy. They have to be replaced. You can buy a pair of new cushions on eBay, Aliexpress or any other reseller site because the original company doesn't sell them separately. They are rather cheap, no more than $10 I would say. If you have no prior experience in replacing earpad cushions, then I'll let you know right now that it's not that difficult. Get your finger in between the cushion and the actual earpad piece and just pull it off. Since they won't be used anymore, it's alright if you happen to rip them. They look awful. Even more so when put side by side with the new ones. Putting on the new ones is where all the issues boil down to. In the top right corner you can check out some dude trying to put new ones on cloud headphones. It will take you some time to get right. The secret trick behind it is getting one of the sides hooked on and then slowly working your way around it, and of course making sure that the pre-hooked parts don't fall loose. Utilize both of your God-given hands for optimal efficiency and faster results. If you manage to get one of the cushions on, then it's just rinse and repeat for the other side. And once the other cushion is on, well, that's job well done. No need to solder any wires or dismantle the headphones. It only cost us $10 to make these expensive headphones look completely new. Ignore the blue tape, that's a personal design choice. Thank you for sticking around till the end of this tutorial, and if you feel like it, you can check out our other DIY guides, like the detachable cable mod. Subscribe for more tutorials, and until next time.